Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Some nice music coming from somewhere. So we have all these little alleys everywhere. We'll just keep on going down the alleys. And then these little alleys are endlessly interesting. So we have a couple Target streets, but as you can see, there's a lot of different Target streets all the way throughout here as well. Okay, so we're in TAIPA village, and if you can look all the way down, this is that's the casino. That's Galaxy Casino. This is a business district, and down there is a Nike store. Over here is a little mercado, and we're gonna be going down this street right here. I think it's called, I will label it one of the streets down that way. So that's gonna be our Target street. It's called Gaviotas. And I also just want to share this real quick. There's this library books up here that's kind of cool to see, and then we'll come back and start our video right there. Then everybody looks up and notices it, so we'll capture it on this one. So yeah, biblioteca, library, kind of cool. Okay, so let's do our Target street. Okay, so we're gonna be so this is kind of a main street right here. Bifopal. This will be really busy later. It's about 11 in the morning at the moment, and this is going to be our Target street right here. Gaivotos. I'm just going to walk down that way. You have some really beautiful colored buildings, and then the Venetian is directly down that way too. And Dumbo restaurant is a Macanese restaurant. So that's our Target street right there. Gaivotas. But actually we're going to be doing maybe 2 streets. Because this little Gaivotas is kind of short, and it'll go into these little TAIPA village alleyways in a moment. And we're in this little TAIPA village area right here. There's a little plaza, and there's a main street down that way as well. But we are going to keep on going down. And I believe that this Gaivotas is the end of the street already, and we just go right into all these little village type of village area. Okay, so let's just navigate down this way slightly. And now we're back, now we're over on this side. And then it turns into Esperanza. So this will just be kind of a big mix of small streets everywhere in here. We'll kind of meander in a little bit. Down there's part of a light show in that plaza. And we're just gonna move down our little alley. So very, very photogenic in this space. My messy kitchen. The owners are really friendly, really nice. Looks like it's closed at the moment though. Some nice music coming from somewhere. So we have all these little alleys everywhere. We'll just keep on going down the alleys. I think the music does affect my video, so. So that goes down into kind of a main street down that way. And then these little alleys are endlessly interesting. So, I don't know, I might just call this type of village. Just kind of explore, show you the camera, show you, so we have a couple target streets, but as you can see, there's a lot of different target streets all the way throughout here as well. So here's Clérigos. And we're just gonna go down one of these alleys as well. More of these alleys. All these colorful buildings. Let me just kind of come out over here real quick because there's a nice, I think what I'll do is I'll show you the parameters. There's Antonio's restaurant, which wins a lot of awards. Then you have these beautiful, it's called Rua Street of the Nice Marriages, Rua Bem Casados. I'm just gonna go up to the main street here. Fast car. And now we can kind of capture the feeling of the street a little bit. Then even have this giant rock right here. So one of my friends is Portuguese, and he was always commenting on that rock because he thought it was so funny to have a rock in the middle of the sidewalk. I never really noticed it. Okay. Antonio's. Let's just kind of meander over this way slightly. Okay. So we are going to go back in, come down along this way. That's kind of cool with that little those lights like that. Okay. So we are going to meander down. So yeah, this whole little area is called TAIPA Village. Mercadores, Gloria. This is a really good restaurant here too, Macau, yeah. I think he might still be closed. Yeah, I like the Messy Kitchen and Macau, yeah. I was recently filmed in those two, and you got really good food in both of them. Okay. Oh, they're doing some construction right here. So I don't know if we can come down here or not. Have to be careful, so we'll go around. It's kind of cool. So we're gonna go down. Very cool. So let's go down this way. Ah. This restaurant's gone. So this had a, this one was Mr. K, and now it's gonna be something different, I guess. There's Pedesquera, Portuguese. There's Argentinian and Japanese. So that was a little bit of a TAIPA village for you. There's a Thai restaurant right there, Thailand, and also tacos. Now we're back at Dumbo's again. We're also at Seattle Square. Sorry, the main square. And we are going to go across, try to give you a little context of this whole space. So this is all part of TAIPA village. So we started where those books are at, up on the building, and we just kind of went into these little alleys of this TAIPA village. And we're going to end it. There's Galaxy Casino down that way. And I've always liked the image of these buildings right here. Okay, so we're gonna end it for TAIPA village right there. $2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.